Hey everybody, Paul Wooten here, coming back to you with another little haul video. One of the toy shows I went to last couple weeks, guy had a bunch of loose cars, and of course, I love loose cars. So plus, I love emergency vehicles, ambulances, fire trucks, police cars, and that type of thing. And he had this jammer here sitting on his table, listed 50 cents a piece. So I walk over there and I open up the jammer and I'm pulling cars out. I'm making a big old pile. And he says, "Why don't you take them all for 10 bucks?" I said, "Sold." So I got the jammer and I'm almost completely full of pretty much mint emergency vehicles for 10 bucks. The case itself is around 7 to 10 depending on where you buy it. But I'll shut up. I'm going to start showing you some cars. I'm going to show these to you one by one. If you guys like emergency vehicles as much as I do, you'll enjoy this video. Moving parts, very cool. Don't even know if this piece is still even produced, but it is very cool. Got that piece there. This one here. This one here. I'm going to show you these other rescues. These here have the ladder goes up on them, the little fire jet there. These are all mint. There's not even any flea bites on them whatsoever, excuse me. And I'm going to show them to you quickly. Then there's this one. Raises up, turns completely around. Got a little dude in it. You can see him. I've got a few of that model there. Pretty cool variation there. I'm going to start showing you ambulances. This is my favorite casting, ambulance casting that Matchbox has ever made. It's a little square body Chevrolet ambulance, Matchbox. These are like next to mint. Doors do open in the back of them. Not a whole lot going on in there. Fire rescue, red. And this is a pretty cool ambulance also. No opening features on this one, but it's an all metal body still. Back when they put metal in die-cast cars, they're going to just start calling these just toy, I don't know what they're going to call them, but they're becoming 10% metal, 90% plastic, and it's getting ridiculous. But we got this police commander. The jet shoots around on it. These little antennas don't turn, but they kind of rock. Police. These guys here, these little spotlights open up, shoot out at the scene. A couple police cars in the mix, an LTD, got a Camaro, Matchbox Police. That's some Matchbox County Emergency Rocky Mountain Rescue. Got an antenna still on it, pretty cool. major choking hazard today. Dial 911. This one here looks like it's been played with a little bit. This one right here is Matchbox Police. I love these blazers. And then the sheriff. I'm getting terrible glare on these videos now. Flipping around, the other side ain't near as exciting, but we'll still share them with you. That police car there. Another one of those. This is a little cheap Masto emergency. Black. Not only is a Matchbox, some a few Hot Wheels, got a couple of helicopters. This is a different helicopter I had never really seen before. It's a Matchbox chopper, like an Airwolf. Remember Airwolf? Got a police chief. Tahoe. Yeah, Chevy Tahoe. A couple more police cars. Got a little Jeep Cherokee police chief. Beach Patrol Bronco. Got this fire department boom truck here. Show the embarrassing ones for the end. The old part of the old Hero City. These old ugly, stupid looking wheels. This opens up though. You can see inside. Pretty cool. This little Hero City also. Hated them flower wheels. I hated this wheel also. Hero City. Look it up. Some of the most ridiculous cars that have ever been released were the Hero City era. These stupid looking wheels. These wheels look dumb on this thing, but back in the day, if you remember, Stomper guys, they had these type of wheels on Stompers, and they was a little bit more pointed. You actually could turn your Stomper on an edge; it would run on two wheels or what have you. And this little Yatming needs a little attention to the front axle. I believe I could fix it. Little tow truck, very cool little model. But that's it on this thing. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video of emergency vehicles, mainly Matchbox. I also had a huge Blackwall haul. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll pretty much see them over there. I may do that video as I put them up. But thanks for tuning in. Hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving weekend with their families. And thanks for the thumbs up in the comments below. And we'll